Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, Amaka Waboko. I hope we're all fine and staying safe. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and click on the notification bell for more videos. My channel is all about lifestyle vlogs, personal health, and more. We'll be glad for you to join our family. So this is a single butterfly lux, and I liked how the hair turned out to be. As you can see here, I'm just feeling myself. So the hair product I used is a Free Choice Crochet Butterfly Lux, a Shine and Jam gel for the roots of my hair, and a crochet pin. So my hair have been washed and prepped for this hairstyle. I did the threading method so my hair will be soft and easy for me to braid. And why making this single braids for the crochet hair, it turned out to be like 54 braids, and the crochet hair in each pack is 16 in each pack, and I'm going to use like 4 packs. One thing I don't like about this product that I bought is that the loop of the hair is so small that before I crochet the lock to my hair, I have to expand it so that the ends of the hair can pass through that loop. And a hairstyle that could have taken me 2 hours 30 minutes to make took me 3 hours to make because of this process, and it's not funny at all.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna feel. Doesn't wanna fall in love. May not see eye to eye, but we can be chill for just this moment. So turn out the lights and let's make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now, I won't give it all away, cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Oh, yeah. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Yeah. Doesn't wanna fall in love. We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Oh, yeah. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna feel. Doesn't wanna fall in love. May not see eye to eye, but we can be chill for just this moment. So turn out the lights and let's make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now,